How to transform an image in Adobe Illustrator into different colors or convert it to a single color. Start by selecting any image whose colors you want to modify, either to a single hue or multiple shades. Then go to Edit, Edit Colors, Convert to Grayscale. After that, open the color palette and pick any color you like. This method is for using just one color. You can also try inverting the colors to create a completely different look. Then, revisit the Adjust Color options and experiment with different looks for these three images, exactly the way you want. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more cool tips and tricks, and stay with us for the next ones.